Education is the key to a bright future. empowermefirst.college.
In the previous section, we talked about factors of a number, and we said that factors of a number are all the numbers that divide this number, which means that when we have, for example, the number 28, it can be divided by 1 and 28, because 1 times 28 is 28, 2 and 14, and 4 and 7. These 6 numbers are called the factors of 28. And we said that the numbers are of 2 groups. Some groups have 1 divisor only, and other groups have 2. Previously, we have talked about the factors of a number, and we said that the factor of a number is a number that divides this number. For example, 16 and 8. 8 is a factor of 16 because 16 divided by 8 equal 2. Both 2 and 8 are factors of 16. Now, numbers are divided into 2 groups, and when we talk about numbers, we are talking about the numbers that are greater than or equal to 2 strictly. This means that we will ignore all the numbers that are less than 2, 1 and before, and we will ignore the negative numbers. Here, the numbers are divided into 2 groups. One group is the numbers that have 2 factors exactly, and the numbers that have more than 2 factors. The numbers that have 2 factors exactly, we will call them prime numbers. And the numbers that have more than 2 factors, we will call them composite numbers. Again, we repeat what I said before. All the numbers have minimum 2 factors, at least 2 factors. Like as you see in the list here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and so on. All these numbers, if you try to divide them by anything, they will be divided by 1 only and themselves. So each of these numbers has 2 factors exactly. Whenever it is the case, we call the number a prime number. The number that is composite, it's the one that is not a prime. This means that the number has more than 2 factors, like what you see here also. 4, it has the factors 1, 2, 4. 6, it has the factors 1, 2, 3, 6. 12, for example, it has the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So you can see easily that these numbers have more than 2 factors. This means more than 1 and themselves only. That's why these numbers are called composite numbers. From now on, I will mention P for the prime, and in general M and anything else for the composite numbers. These are the prime and composite numbers. A very important note, do not confuse prime with odd. If you look at the set of prime numbers here, they are all of them odd numbers, but this doesn't mean that any odd number is a prime. If you look at 9, 9 is an odd number, but it's not a prime. If you look at 15, it is an odd number, but it's not a prime number, because 15 has 1, 3, 5, 15 as factors. For this reason, that number is odd, but it's not a prime number. This is an important note, and the prime numbers concept is a very important concept in the number theory. It has a lot of applications, and it will pass with us in many places.